In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted bank accounts from QuickBooks Online. Sometimes you stop using a bank account, switch banks, or just decide you don't want a particular account cluttering up your banking screen anymore. In QuickBooks Online, you don't actually delete a connected bank account, but you can disconnect it so it stops importing new transactions and doesn't get in your way. That's exactly what we're going to walk through together. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online company file and head to the banking area. Depending on your version, this might also be labeled Transactions and then Banking in the left-hand menu. This is where you see all of your connected bank and credit card accounts laid out as tiles across the top. Once you're on the banking page, find the tile for the bank account you want to remove. Take a moment here to double-check you've selected the correct account, especially if you have several with similar names or at the same bank. You want to be absolutely sure you're disconnecting the right one. So look at the last few digits of the account or card number and the current balance to confirm it's the account you intend to stop using. With the correct tile selected, look toward the top right corner of that tile for a small pencil icon. This pencil is your edit button. Click that pencil, and from the small menu that appears, choose Edit Account Info. This opens the Account Details window where you can control how the account behaves in QuickBooks. In the Account Info window, you'll see a checkbox labeled Disconnect this account on Save. This is the key setting. When you check this box, you're telling QuickBooks to stop downloading new transactions from that bank account going forward. Your past transactions and historical data remain in your books. They aren't erased. The account is simply disconnected from the live bank feed. Go ahead and check that box, and then review the rest of the information on the screen just to make sure everything looks right. When you're ready to confirm the disconnection, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will apply the change and take you back to the banking page. After this, the account will no longer import new transactions, and depending on your settings, it may move out of your main list of active bank tiles. Your records stay intact, but your banking screen is cleaner and easier to manage.